Welcome to Health's Bulk. Now, you lot know I love a good dessert. A right proper finish to a fantastic meal. But sometimes those sugary buggers can leave you feeling like you've run a marathon backwards. That's why we're taking on healthy desserts, you hear? Delicious, satisfying, and won't send you into a sugar coma. We're talking about recipes that are quick, easy, and most importantly, bloody delicious. So put on your aprons and let's get cooking, shall we? First up, we're tackling a classic, chocolate mousse. Now I know what you're thinking, avocado? In mousse? Has he finally gone mad? Trust me on this one. Get yourself a ripe avocado. It should be nice and soft, none of that hard rubbish. Scoop out the good stuff into your blender. Then, add 2 big tablespoons of cocoa powder. The good quality stuff, mind you. Next, a couple of tablespoons of maple syrup or honey. Go easy on it. We don't want it too sweet. And to loosen it up a bit, a splash of almond milk. Now blitz it all together until it's smooth as silk. You don't want any lumps, do you? This is mousse, not guacamole. Avocado gives it this incredible creaminess. You won't believe it's not loaded with butter and cream. Pop it in the fridge for about half an hour to chill, and you've got yourself a dessert that's rich, decadent, and good for you. Now for a dessert that's as easy as it gets. We're talking Greek yogurt parfait. Simple, refreshing, and packed with flavor. Grab yourself some good quality Greek yogurt. Plain or vanilla, it's your call. Spoon a generous amount into your glass. Now for the fun part, layers. Get those berries in there. Strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, whatever you fancy. Fresh, juicy berries bursting with flavor. A drizzle of honey for a touch of sweetness, or if you're feeling adventurous, a sprinkle of granola for some crunch. You see? Easy peasy. This parfait is packed with protein from the yogurt and those antioxidants from the berries. They're like little health grenades. It's the perfect dessert to satisfy your sweet tooth without the sugar crash. Chapter 3. Right, let's turn up the heat a bit. Baked apple with cinnamon. It's like a hug in a bowl. Core your apple and make sure you get all those pesky seeds out. Now sprinkle that apple generously with cinnamon, a touch of coconut sugar or honey if you must, but don't go overboard. Remember, we're keeping it healthy here. Bung it in the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 20 minutes or until it's nice and soft. You want that apple to be tender, almost falling apart. And for the finishing touch, a dollop of Greek yogurt or a spoonful of almond butter. Creamy, dreamy, and bursting with those warm, comforting flavors of fall. Chapter 4. Now for a dessert that's so simple, it's almost embarrassing. Banana nice cream. It's exactly what it sounds like. Nice cream made with bananas. No, seriously, that's it. Grab some frozen bananas. Make sure they're nice and ripe before you freeze them. Toss them into your blender with a splash of almond milk. This helps it blend up nice and smooth. Blitz it until it's creamy, like soft serve ice cream. Now, here's where you can get creative. Add a spoonful of cocoa powder for a chocolatey twist, some peanut butter for that salty sweet combo, or even a handful of berries for a fruity explosion. It's naturally sweet, dairy-free, and so easy to make. Even a donkey could do it. Chapter 5. Our final dish is a classic for a reason. Chia pudding. It's packed with fiber, protein, and those healthy fats that'll keep you feeling full and satisfied. Now this one requires a bit of planning ahead, but trust me, it's worth it. Grab a jar or container, something with a lid. Throw in 3 tablespoons of chia seeds. Don't be shy with them. Pour in a cup of almond milk, or any milk you prefer. A teaspoon of honey or maple syrup for sweetness. Give it a good stir. Now, this is the important part. Let it sit in the fridge for at least a few hours, preferably overnight. This gives those chia seeds time to work their magic, soaking up all that liquid and turning into a glorious pudding-like texture. Top it with fresh fruit, a sprinkle of nuts, or even a drizzle of melted dark chocolate. It's the perfect make-ahead breakfast or dessert that's as delicious as it is good for you. There you have it. 5 healthy dessert recipes that are easy to make and bloody delicious. We've got creamy mousse, refreshing parfaits, comforting baked apples, ice cream made with bananas, and pudding that's good for you. So there you have it, you lot. 5 healthy dessert recipes that are easy to make and bloody delicious. No more excuses for skipping dessert, yeah? Give these recipes a try and let me know what you think in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to HealthSpulk for more amazing recipes and healthy eating tips. Now go on, get cooking.